India is a land of diverse cultures and traditions. Basically, Indian folk and tribal dances are simple and are performed to express joy during arrival of seasons, birth of a child, wedding and festivals. Folk art is the common possession of a group of people or a particular locality. The identity of the originators is forgotten, but the style is preserved down the ages. Each form of folk dance has a specific costume or rhythm, and some costumes are very colorful with extensive jewels and designs. Here is the list of various state and folk dances. Kuchipudi dance form. Kuchipudi is a dance drama performance, with its roots in the ancient Hindu Sanskrit text of Natya Shastra. It developed as a religious art linked to traveling bards, temples and spiritual beliefs, like all major classical dances of India. Vilasini Natyam dance. Vilasini Natyam is an Indian classical dance form originating in Andhra Pradesh. Its repertoire comprises temple dances, court dances, and dance operas of female singer and dancers of Telugu origin. Andhra Natyam dance. Andhra Natyam comprises of Agama Nathanam, Asthana Nathanam and Prabandha Nathanam. Andhra Natyam is performed by both men and women. Andhra Natyam is a classical dance form originating from the Indian states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Bhamakalpam dance form. Bhamakalpam is another form of classical dance in Andhra Pradesh. The entire dance revolves around Satyabhama. She had been the beautiful yet jealous wife of Lord Sri Krishna. Bhama was the original name of that lady, and Kalpam means complaint or jealousy. Viranatyam dance form. Viranatyam or dance of the brave is an ancient form of dance from the state of Andhra Pradesh, with associated religious significance. Viranatyam started as a ritual that was performed in Shiva temples in honor of Shiva. Tapata Gullu dance form. Tapata Gullu is a kind of folk dance that derives its origin from the folk cultures in India. These cultures made their impact especially after the 19th century, when they seeped into the country and swayed it with its melodious rhythms. One such form of dance is Tapata Gullu. Lamdi dance performance. Lamdi is a special kind of dance of Andhra Pradesh. In this form of dance, mainly the female dancers dance in tune with the male drummers to offer homage to their lord for a good harvest. At Anupu village near Nagarjunakonda, Lamdi dance originated. They are the semi-nomadic tribes of Andhra Pradesh. Dimsar dance performance. Dimsar is a tribal dance form that is performed primarily by Poha caste women in India. A group of 15 to 20 women form a circle and dance, praising the deity for the welfare of their domestic life. They also dance at the weddings, since the women pray for peaceful and happy married life. Kolatam dance form. Kolanalu or Kolkolanalu, stick dance, is one of the most popular dance narratives in the Andhra Pradesh state of India. It is a rural art usually performed during village festivals. It is a combination of rhythmic movements, songs and music. Butter Bommalu dance form. A typical folk dance form, popular in Tanuku of West Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh. Butter Bommalu, which literally means basket toys, are made of wood husk, dry grass and cow dung.